David contributed to his 401k every month for 6 years. He also invested none of it. Both of those are true. That's not a mistake in this sentence. The money went in every single month. It just sat there, in cash, earning almost nothing while he thought he was building a retirement. That gap cost him about $40,000, and he had no idea until last month. Here's why this should scare you a little. His account never once told him something was wrong. The balance went up. The statements looked fine. And that is exactly how it hides. Now, most people watching this are going to open their 401k, see a balance that went up, and close the app feeling fine. If that's you, this video probably isn't for you. But if you want the one screen that actually tells you the truth, the one almost nobody opens, that's the rest of this video.
So how does money you deposited end up doing nothing?
When you enroll in a 401k, two separate things have to happen. Most people only know about the first one. The first thing, money comes out of your paycheck and goes into the account. That part is automatic. You set it once and it runs forever. The second thing, that money has to actually get bought into investments, funds, stocks, an index, something that grows. That part is not always automatic, and nobody sends you a reminder. So the cash lands in your account, drops into something called a settlement fund or a money market holding, and waits. It's basically a parking spot, safe and going nowhere. If you never went in and chose your investments, your money has been sitting in that parking spot this whole time. Contributing and investing are two different actions. David did the first one perfectly for 6 years and never did the second one.
Let me show you what that parking spot costs.
David had about $50,000 in contributions over those 6 years. Sitting in cash, it earned him a few percent. Call it flat. If that same money had been in a basic index fund over the same stretch, it would have grown by tens of thousands more. That's the $40,000. It's not money that was stolen, it's money that was never allowed to grow. And here's the part that compounds the damage. He's 6 years behind now. Not just the $40,000, every one of those future years of growth was supposed to build on this money, and it can't build on money.
So how did David actually find out?
Not from his 401k provider, not from a warning, from a coworker. They were talking at lunch, comparing accounts. Same company, same plan, started around the same time, similar contributions. The coworker's balance was almost double his. David went home that night and actually logged in. Not to check the balance, he'd seen that 100 times. He went looking for why. And that's when he found the screen, the one that doesn't show you a number going up, the one that shows you what your money is actually in. His said, cash, 100%, for 6 years. Here's what I want you to sit with. David is not careless. He's not bad with money. He did the responsible thing. He contributed every single month, and the system let him believe that was enough. The balance went up because he kept adding to it, not because it grew. He was watching the wrong number the entire time. And the only reason he ever found out was a lunch conversation that could just as easily never have happened. So let's make sure you don't need luck. The screen David found, the one that told him the truth in about 10 seconds, you can open it right now, and I'll tell you exactly where it is.
Okay, here's the screen. It takes about 30 seconds and you can do it right now, on your phone, while I talk. Log into your 401k, whoever runs it. Fidelity, Vanguard, Empower, Principal, doesn't matter. Now ignore the big number, the balance. That's the number that lies to you. That's the one David watched for 6 years. Instead, look for a tab that says Investments, or Holdings, or Your Investments. Something that shows you what your money is actually in, not how much of it there is. On Fidelity, it's usually inside Net Benefits under a tab called Investments. Other providers call it something close. When you open it, you're looking for one thing. What are you holding? If you see fund names, an index fund, a target date fund, something with a 5-letter symbol like FXAIX, good, your money is working.
If you see the words cash or money market or capital preservation or stable value, and that's most of your balance, whew, that's the parking spot. That's David. Your money's been sitting still. I'm not going to tell you what to buy. That's yours to decide, and it's worth a real conversation with someone who knows your situation. But now you know the difference between contributing and investing, and you'll never watch the balance and assume you're fine again. David lost $40,000 because nobody told him there were 2 steps. Now, somebody told you. Go check. I'll see you in the next one.